Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last month and how the silver price can move in this month of September. If you look at this chart, what you can see, I am showing a chart from March till September. Okay, if you look at this chart, what we have seen, a sharp fall, and from there it has moved upside, a range is made, and from there again it came down, a range is made, and it has came from there, it is continuously coming down. Okay, so what I wanted to show you, look at a 1 year chart. This is a 1 year chart I am showing you. Okay, so what you have to understand looking at this chart, that the price of silver has moved sharply after March 2020, okay, and made a high of around 29.906, and this is from a point of 11.573. If you look at this trend, it has moved to a level of 11, okay, and in just 5 or 6 months it has reached to a level of 29. That means a very sharp rise in the price of silver. From there it was moving in this particular range for some time after making a high, and profit booking has done at this level, and then from there it again tries to move up high, and this level, keep in mind this level of around 30, okay, at a level of 29.9 or 30 point something is this level. Keep this in mind, because if the price comes close to around 28.5 or 29, there will be probability is very high that it can go and bounce back and can touch a new high. Okay, so before that I wanted to tell you, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this silver price is moving and how this technical is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join, and you can book appointment also if you have any doubt, and it's a free session. Okay, and that all will be my personal view. See, look at this, the price has moved upside and now it is in this particular range. So if the range breaks, okay, breaking a range is very important, because then only we can see there will be a sharp rise. See, look at this range, it has fallen and then we have seen it has moved downside, and again it has moved up, and now it has made a range. Okay, if you look at this is also a range. Okay, if this is also a range, whenever there is a range breakout, then we can see there will be a sharp rise or fall in the price of any commodity if you take it. These are some technicals point I'm telling you. Okay, now the silver price is moving around 24.06. okay, now the price is fluctuating. I'm making a video in the live market. Okay, see, suppose if the price stays at this level, and there will be a probability it can touch a level of 24.26. suppose if this level sustain, then there will be a probability it can go and touch a level of, okay, then there will be a probability it can go and touch a level of 24.88. okay, and from there, if this level sustain, because this level is already tested here twice, so chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 25.338. okay, and once this level is touched, then if it crosses upside, then we can see a level of 25.70 also. Suppose if this level cross upside, then we can see a level of 26 also, and this 26 is already tested here twice, so chances will be very high that it can go and touch a level of 26 also. And then we can see that these mostly the levels are already touched here and tested, so chances will be very high that if it crosses a level of 25, we can see that 26.5 or 27 can be touched very easily. Okay, and suppose, and this 27 is we look at this trend, that 26.6 is a strong resistance, and suppose if this breaks upside, then we can see a level of 27.5 3 also, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 27.84 also. Okay, and suppose if this level cross upside, then I have already told you that if it comes close to a level of 27.5 and above, then we can see there is a probability it can touch a level of 28 also, and from there we can see a sharp move on the upside of around 29, and then we can see it can break this, because this level is already tested twice, so it can break this level and can touch a new high. Okay, so what I will explain you a brief, but before that, if the price suppose if goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 23.76, and suppose if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 23.25, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 22.859. Okay, and you have to understand here that this level, if suppose if it comes close to this level, will be on the selling side, will not be on the buying side. Remember, because the trend is in showing that the trend is in downside. If it comes close to a level of 23, then from there probability will be there it can touch a level of 22.511, and from there we can see it can break a level of 21, sorry, this level, a level of 22.31, then we can see a level of 21.589 also very soon. Okay, because this level is already tested here twice, so chances are high that it can go and touch a level of 21.655. Okay, 21.655 not is tested here also twice, so chances will be high it can break this level and can touch a level of 20.0012 also. So keep this in mind. If it comes close to around 23, then we'll be on the selling side, and if it comes close to around 22, then again we can increase the quantity at this level, and it can touch a level of 20, or it can go further low. Okay, so this is what I will tell you. Now I'll brief it, summarize a little bit. Suppose if the price stays above 24, so probability will be there it can touch a level of 24.80, and then we can see further upside if it stays above a level of 24.3. okay, and can touch a level of 26 also, and can go to a level of 27 also. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and if it comes close to 23.45, then probability will be there if it didn't sustain this level, it can go to a level of 23. Or suppose if it comes close to 23, and if it didn't sustain 23, it didn't sustain, and if it comes close to a level of 22.5, then we'll be on the selling side, and probability is there it can break a level of 21.72 also, because this level is already tested twice, so chances are high that if it breaks this level, then we can see it a level of 20 also, or it can go to a level of 19 also, which is a very strong support, 19.42. okay, and this is the range. Once this range breaks downside, then we can see a sharp fall. Suppose if this range breaks upside, okay, our range high is around 30, then we can see further rise in the price of silver. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.